In this example, we're going to be simplifying algebraic expressions by grouping like terms, and this is nothing different than what we've already been doing, except now there are more pairs of like terms in the expression. So for our expression, we have 5m plus 7 plus 3m plus 2. And before we actually group our like terms, we have to identify what our terms are. To do that, we could draw lines anytime we hear a plus or minus, or after every plus sign, there is a term. I'm going to go through with the lines. So 5m plus 7 plus 3m plus 2. So for our terms, we have a positive 5m, and now I'm going to look for any other m's in here, and we have a positive 3m. So that would be 5m plus 3m. And when we simplify 5m and 3m, that leaves us with 8m. Now I'm going to look at the 7. That's a positive 7. And I'm going to look for any other constants. And we have a positive 2. So that would be 7 plus 2. And that leaves us with 9. So once we combine our like terms, we're left with a positive 8m and a positive 9. So my simplified expression is 8m plus 9, or it could be 9 plus 8m. Our next example has some fractional coefficients in it along with fractions. So for this here, we have 3/8 b plus 2/3 minus 1/8 b minus 1/3. Again, I'm going to go through and split it using lines. So anytime I hear plus or minus, it is a new term. So 3/8 b plus 2/3 minus 1/8 b minus 3. I'll start with the 3/8 b. And I'm going to look for any other b's, and we have a negative 1/8 b. So that could be minus 1/8 b. When we combine our b's, 3/8 b minus 1/8 b leaves us with 2/8 b, which reduces to 1/4 b. Then for the constants, we have a positive 2/3 and a negative 1/3. So that is 2/3 minus 1/3. And that would leave us with 1/3. So for our terms, once we simplify and combine our like terms, we're left with 1/4 b and 1/3. So our simplified answer can be written as 1/4 b plus 1/3, or we could write that as 1/3 plus 1/4 b.